This is what we're trying to get in this suitcase. I'm moving to London to model. Hi everyone, it's me Sophia here. This feels so weird because currently we are walking through Abbey Centre, which is a shopping centre, and I look crazy. Not just because I've got a camera following me, but because I look like this. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Shannon came and got me this morning. I was still in my pajamas.
It was 2 p.m.
and I was still in my pajamas. I need to get some like essentials for going away, because if you watched my other video you would know that I'm moving to London and I need to get essentials. We went to Primark, got some belts, bobbles, pants, everything that you kind of need. That's what we're doing right now, just looking for essentials and getting things so that we can go home and pack.
I swear, need a little love sometimes. I'm too cautious, none of them bodies.
Well, I go by the name of
I really like this top.
Lupe Fiat. Label the man. So
She's really trying to make these jeans work.
Back to get my jeans because
These ugly flares.
I knew that we weren't going to get them anywhere else.
But she got nice jeans in New Look, and
I'm
I'm
going to wear
getting
these ones all the time just to shove it in both of these two people's faces. Decided when I go to London I'm just going full out Sophia Mitchell, my style. Even if it's ugly, it's just going to be 100% authentic Sophia. And I wear my flowers and my cropped jeans and I love it.
Explain what you're doing, Sophia.
You put my face mask on. How do you work it?
Skincare is a priority here, clearly.
It is for men. Oh, that's cool.
It looks like a balaclava. Are you actually alright? Okay, go. Let's see what kind of look you get.
I've been more embarrassed for you because your face is alright.
Is there not a wee bit that goes over your nose?
Yeah.
Apparently one mask is the equivalent of 1 week of hydration active in...
Don't tell her that because she'll think it means she doesn't need to wash her face for a week.
Hi everyone, it's me, Sophia. Might not recognise me, just doing my week's worth of hydration right now. This looks so funny. We need to start packing and we got everything that we like needed here. I got my jeans because I wanted my jeans, so I got my jeans because I knew I wanted them and I knew they're going to be a look, okay? They're going to be a look. Just watch out for Instagram posting them someday. Oh, McDonald's. See you then.
Shorty look good in the moonlight.
Get a caramel ice frappe, I think, please. And
Check it out.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. Can I see your order, please? Hi, can I?
There you go.
Johnny's in a mood. She's gonna be in an even bigger mood when she realises how much clothes she has to pack. It looks like I don't have a top lid.
You don't. That's lips.
Think I could eat this? No. Can't believe we found where Zayn Malik and Justin Bieber get their hair.
I actually can't believe he comes to Glen Gormley to get his
I
hair
can't believe it. What's this place called? Turkish golden scissors. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is some clientele they have there. Bro, love it. We're currently trying to organise all of this into this. And I currently look like this. So I'm tinting my eyebrows so they're darker, but I quite like them. I think it's a look. I packed 5 pair of jeans so far.
No,
6 pair of jeans so far, and I have to put a pair in my hand luggage because I don't think I should bring them, but I want to bring them. And then
a denim jacket.
do jackets last because jackets.
Big
No,
stuff goes in first.
yeah, but I want to see what clothes I have first.
Yeah, but
And
you need to put the stuff in first.
okay, see you guys later. Now, Shannon, this is what we're trying to get in this suitcase. Shannon's pushing it all down. I personally don't think it's going to fit, but Shannon thinks it will. Let's see if Shannon's packing skills are as good as she says.
Oh, the scrub.
How much scrunchies in there?
I've packed scrunchies.
I'll just bring the scrub. It's not a liquid, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh. Look at the thickness of it. And she's trying to get
Sophia, I can always close
to this.
You're going to make a fool out of yourself when I get this.
I I can't wait for you to make a photo of yourself because it's not going to close. This is going to like bust in transit. What's transit mean? What? That was the right word then, wasn't it? Right, you have to comment right now if you think this is going to close. Don't cheat. So for everyone probably wondering like why are you going to London, where are you staying in London, what is happening in London? Moving to London to model. My agency that I've been with since I was 13, they're finally wanting to put me out there and everything and base me in London so that, you know, there's not a lot of work where I live and there's not a lot of like modelling opportunities, so the best thing for me is to move to London. I'm living in a model apartment, which means I share like an apartment with other models. The model might be there for a week, might be there for a couple months, could be there for any time really, and I'm going to be there for a month at the moment, and then maybe I'll go back, maybe I'll go somewhere else, who knows. But I'm going to live in Camden. My sister... Camden.
Like camera.
Camden. Okay, I'm gonna be living in Camden. I'm gonna be living in
Camden.
And Shannon's gonna be living in
Shoreditch.
So, she's still a train away from me, which is actually good because then we're not like stuck with each other, and it means like if something goes wrong, I can just get a train till her.
Just a note, I got the case packed. I was right. Oh, I look so ugly.
I am so excited but so scared at the same time. I can't wait to like get into the whole like modeling scene, and I'm also excited to kind of get into the YouTuber scene as well, because like most big YouTubers from like the UK live in London, so get some YouTube beef, you know, start stirring the pot, see who you like, who you don't. I would never. I am a peaceful queen. I am a
non-problematic mess.
No, yeah, non-problematic mess, but I am a silent sister. I keep myself to myself. I can't wait. Got some people have my eye on already, you know. Look at me now! So yeah, I'm really excited. And then there's some nice people there. My sister's friends with some people over there, so hopefully I'll get to meet them and stuff. BTW stuff is now off my eyebrows. Eyebrows are now on fleek.
I think they look quite good as long as you just tweak them.
What, Kira?
On my mommy's feet.
Kira, do you want to be in the vlog? This is Kira. And Kira is, what age are you, Kira? 5. And Kira watches my videos, and I'll not show you Kira's mum right now, but she's here as well.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Rebecca.
Hi, Rebecca.
Beth smells.
No, she doesn't.
Stuff is put in the car, in the back of the car, and I go in like 3 days, so kind of nervous and excited because I feel like I'm definitely going to forget stuff, definitely going to like not bring the stuff that I need, but that is the end of the vlog, and I will vlog when I'm leaving, and you guys will get to see me go to the airport and everything. It'll be really cool and probably tragic because I'll probably forget everything, but yeah, see you again, bye.